This is a demonstration of the cropping functionality in Filmulator. It is still not quite done, but the user interface is very close to complete. Once an image is loaded in Filmulator, you can click on the crop button here to begin. Now, not much appears to have changed, but if you zoom out a bit and move the mouse, you'll see grab handles for resizing. Additionally, you'll find the crop parameters have replaced the image metadata along the top of the image viewport. You can zoom and pan as usual, but you get a little bit of margin at the edges compared to normal, which lets you grab the grab handles. Along the sides are blue grab handles, which let you resize the image in one dimension, like this. And along at the corners are purple handles, which let you resize in both dimensions. Now, there's additional functionality exposed when you hold Control or Shift, or both when resizing. The corner functionality is pretty nifty. In other photo editors, you may have a drop-down box to let you select an aspect ratio, but in Filmulator, you can press the Shift key to make the image snap to specific aspect ratios like this. This lets you easily choose which of the standard aspect ratios works best for the image, and it also lets you easily switch between portrait orientation and landscape orientation without the user interface getting in your way. Once you have the aspect ratio you want, hold Control to lock it in. At this point, you can release the Shift key and Control will maintain the aspect ratio. Even if you don't like the standard aspect ratios, you can set a custom one that you want, hold Control, and it will lock just the same. The corners don't get all of the goodies though. Normally the blue handles resize in one direction, but when you hold Control, you can slide the image in that same direction without changing size and without the image accidentally going in the other direction. You can switch between the two on the fly just by pressing or releasing the Control key. You don't have to release the mouse for this. What does Shift do? When you're sliding the image by holding Control, Shift makes the crop snap to the center of the image. Shift doesn't do anything on its own, so be aware. Finally, once you've set the size of the crop area you want, you can also hold Control and click in the middle of the crop area to drag it around. Normally, dragging without a modifier simply pans around the image, but with Control pressed, you can manipulate it freely. Like with the side handles, you can hold Shift to snap it to the center of the image. So it snaps both horizontally and vertically, and also both in the center. Finally, when you're done with your crop, like say I would like a crop like this, you click Finish Crop to accept the new crop boundaries. At this point, you can edit just the same as normal without even realizing that the image had been cropped in the first place, and then you can save it and go on to the next one.